Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and let's make some quick summer sun cookies. These cookies are super easy and are great for a beginner cookier. I'm going to start by outlining and flooding in an oval in the center. It doesn't need to be perfect, and you can kind of fix it as you're flooding it in. My icing is about a 12 to 15 second flood consistency, and then I'm just going to go immediately around the outside with my orange icing in the same consistency, and then outline the little rays of the sun, and I'll flood that in as well. I didn't go all the way to the edge when I was flooding because this icing is a little bit thinner and I don't want it to overflow. So I'm going to take my scribe, or you can use a toothpick, and bring the icing out to the edges. Then set this cookie aside to dry completely while you make your royal icing transfers. You can see how I did that. There's a link in the description for the video on how you make these. You want to just put a little bit of royal icing on the back of these royal icing transfers and then attach them to the cookie. And then I used an edible marker to add a little smiley mouth at the bottom, and these cookies are done. I think they came out so cute. What do you think? Would you make these cute sun cookies? And I also made some surfboard cookies to go along with the set. I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description. Anyway, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. I have new tutorials every day. Bye.